So here we shall explain the concept of the identity element of a binary operation with some examples. So the identity element of a binary operation is defined as, so given a binary operation star which maps a cross a to a, an element E which belongs to the set A, if it exists, is called the identity element. It's called the identity for the operation. It's called the identity for the operation star if A star E, that is equals to A, which is also equals to E star A, for all A belongs to the set A. So this is the definition of the identity element. So we can understand this by one example. Suppose it is asked to show that 0 is the identity for addition. 0 is the identity for addition on the set R, and 1 is the identity. 1 is the identity for multiplication on the set R, but there is no identity element. There is no identity element for the operations. Element for the operations minus means subtraction, which maps from R cross R to R, and division, which maps from R star cross R star to R star, where the set R star is equal to R minus 0. It means the set of all non-zero real numbers. Set of all non-zero real numbers. So now we can solve it. Suppose so we know that the identity element for addition is 0. Since a plus 0, that is equal to 0, which is equals to 0 plus a, that is equals to a. And for multiplication also, 1 is the identity element. Since 1 into a, that is equals to a into 1, that is equals to a, for all a belongs to R. So it means that 0 and 1 are the identity elements. 0 and 1 are the identity elements for the operations addition and multiplication on the set R respectively. So and there is no element a and a minus e. So a minus e should be equal to e minus a, that is equal to a, but that is, so no such element e is there. So we can say that there is no such element is for which a minus e equals to e minus a equals to a, for all a belongs to R. So there is no identity element under the operation subtraction. There is no identity element. There is no identity element for the operation subtraction which maps from R cross R to R. Also, um, there is no non-zero real number. There is no such non-zero real number. There is no such non-zero real number E for which for which E cross E divided by A, that is equals to A divided by E, that is equals to A. So A for all A belongs to R star, which is the set of all non-zero real numbers. Hence we can say, hence the operations the operation subtraction on the set R and the operation that is division on the set R star do not have any identity elements. Do not have any identity element. So hence proved. So hope you have understood the concept. Thank you.